In this video, I am going to solve a question on thrust line. So, a beam of cross section 150 mm width and 350 mm deep is having a span of 6 meter, and it is loaded by UDL of 4 kN per meter, including its self weight. Means we don't have to calculate self weight. Okay. The beam is pre-stressed by a straight cable carrying a force of 200 kN with a constant eccentricity of 50 mm. Okay. So the beam is pre-stressed by a force of 200 kN. Now we have to determine the location of thrust line, giving its position at quarter and central span. Means basically we have to calculate the location of C. Okay. Means the external forces are there, so it will be creating moment at every section. So the moment is balanced by a couple generated due to this P force and imaginary C force. Okay, which I have explained in earlier videos. So the moment will be generated between this C and P, and this will resist the moment generated by this external load. Okay, here UDL. Now how we will solve this question? We will calculate the stresses in the top fiber at mid span by two methods. First by stress concept and other by pressure line concept. Okay, so in previous video I have told you how to write the stresses at top fiber due to the pressure concept. Okay, Ft is equal to C by A plus Ca into Zt. Okay, C upon Zt. So basically we have to calculate the location of C at every span. Here C will be acting here C. So we will calculate the value of A here at every position. So if we can calculate the value of A, we will easily draw the C line. Okay. So what we have to calculate here is A, value of A. So now how we will write the stresses due to the stresses at top fiber at mid span. Okay. So how we will write at mid span? F top will be equal to C by A plus C into A upon Z top. Okay, and we also know that C is equal to P because there are no any horizontal forces to maintain the equilibrium. C must be equal to P. Okay, and by stress concept, this is by the pressure line concept. Now by stress concept, how will write stresses in top fiber, which is equal to Ft is equal to, how will write Ft will be, since there is a pre-stressing force, it will be making compression at the top fiber. It is always positive here. Okay, and then a moment will be generated at mid span. Since P is acting below the centroidal axis, so it will cause tensile forces at the top of the forces. I have explained it earlier how we will inculcate the value of sign here, minus or plus it will be here. So it will be minus Pe upon Zt, and the moment due to the dead load or UDL here at the top of fiber will be compressive in nature, so it will be positive M upon Zt. Okay. Now I am going to equate the stresses in the top fibers from both the equation first and second. Okay, since C is equal to P, so we can cancel that out, and we write Ca and transfer Pe this side. Ca plus Pe upon Zt is equal to M upon Zt. Zt will become C is equal to P, so we can take C as a common. P plus E will be equal to M. Yes, the value of C is given as 200 kN. Okay, so I'll write here 200 into A is given. We have to calculate the value of A, and E is given as 50 mm. So, and the value of M, how will write moment at mid span due to the UDL is WL square upon 8. Okay, W is given as here 4 into length is given as 6 square upon 8. 4 to the 8, 6 is here 36 upon 2, 18 kilonewton meter. Okay, and since E is in mm, so we also calculate it into meter. Now when we put 18, so now solve it. A plus 0.05 upon 18 upon 200, 279 upon 100, which is equal to 0.09. So we'll get A is equal to 0.04 meter. Okay, which is also 40 mm, and so A will be 40 meter above the centroidal axis. Okay, so the value of A, and I have also stated in earlier video that the external moment is counterbalanced by the couple inside the section, which is P force here, and C it will generate a internal couple which will resist the external moment. So Mx is equal to C into Z. We can also calculate directly. So let me explain it here. Mx you have calculated WL square by 8. W is here 4 into 6 square upon 8, which is equal to C into Z. C is given as 200 kilonewton, and we will calculate Z. Okay, here. So 4 to the 8 and 8, 6 is 36 upon 2, 18 upon equal to 200 into Z. Z is equal to 18 upon 2, 9 ja, and 100. Z will be equal to 0.09 meter, which is also equal to 90 mm. And since we know that Z is equal to A plus E for mid span, and Z is 90 here, and E is 50 mm given in the question, so AE is 40 mm. So we have made a cross check here that AE comes out to be 40 mm. Basically this concept mx is equal to cz can be calculated from this equation. Here m is equal to c into a plus e, and a plus e is equal to z, so m is equal to c into z. This is not a new concept, we are just can calculate it from anywhere. Okay, thank you.